Cut open the sealing tape on the packaging box. Take out the Easwe B20 main frame. Unfold the B20 main frame. Push in the locking devices on both sides. Install the controller and secure it with the knob. Position can be swapped left or right. Snap in the controller cable clip. Remove the protective film from the wheels. Take out the anti-tip wheels. Remove the anti-tip wheel pins. Insert the anti-tip wheels and align with the holes. Insert the pins to secure them in place. Open the battery packaging. Align with the slot and push in firmly. Ensure the red latch clicks into place. Press the button to lift the armrest. The armrest automatically locks when lowered. Pull the motor lever backward to enter manual mode. Push the wheelchair easily. Push the motor lever forward to enter automatic mode. Use the joystick to control movement. Turn on the controller. 5-speed adjustment. Long press the horn button. Press the power button to turn off. Press the latch outward to remove the battery. Slide open the battery waterproof cover. Plug the charger into the controller power port. Close the waterproof cover and push the battery back in. Connect the plug and adapter. Insert into the charging port under the controller. Lift the footrest. Press the side safety locks to easily fold the wheelchair. Press the seat to unfold the wheelchair. Open the footrest. Push in the side safety latches. The rear storage bag can hold a spare battery. The armrest can be lifted for easier access. Fasten the seat belt. The wheelchair can be moved easily.